What's up? French Connection. It's your boy SLM French coming at y'all with a new video. It's been a minute since I posted anything. Got a new build coming at y'all. So I'm gonna try to get back to it. First ride, we got the seats in here. Things looking pretty good. I ain't mad at it. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I should have came. You know? It's 2022. There's no reason cars should come with claws, especially a work truck. That shit gets way dirty, way more dirty than some leather. You would think if it's a work truck, they would put the easiest thing to clean in here. It's not a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. So let's act like it. Ford, Ram, Chevy, all you guys that want to charge extra for basic shit. But we got it done.